Neil Armstrong and the Moon of Dreams. Once upon a time, in a small town called Wapakoneta, there lived a bright and curious boy named Neil. Neil had a mind full of dreams and a heart full of wonder. He loved to gaze at the stars and imagine what it would be like to explore the vast universe. One clear night, as Neil was lying in his backyard, he noticed a twinkling star that seemed to be winking at him. Suddenly, a shooting star streaked across the sky, and a magical moonbeam touched down beside him. From the moonbeam emerged a wise old owl named Professor Luna. "Hello, young Neil," hooted Professor Luna. "I see you have a curious mind. Would you like to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of space?" Neil's eyes widened with excitement. "Yes, please, Professor Luna. I want to understand how to reach the moon and explore the stars." The owl's eyes twinkled with delight. "To begin your journey, you must visit the land of astronauts. There, you will find the key to unlocking the secrets of space travel." With a flap of his wings, Professor Luna guided Neil to a magical land where rockets soared into the sky and astronauts floated among the stars. Neil was amazed by the sight and eagerly began to explore. In the land of astronauts, Neil met a kind and gentle figure named Lady Stella. Lady Stella wore a suit adorned with stars and carried a helmet that sparkled with possibilities. "Welcome, Neil," said Lady Stella. "Here, we use our curiosity and bravery to explore the wonders of space. Let me show you how." Lady Stella handed Neil a magical map that shimmered with possibilities. "This map can help you navigate the stars and reach the moon," she said. "Use it wisely." Neil took the map and continued his journey. As he walked, he noticed a beautiful garden filled with glowing flowers and twinkling fireflies. In the center of the garden stood a wise tortoise named Astro. "Hello, young Neil," said Astro. "I see you have a magical map. Do you know how to use it?" Neil shook his head. "No, I don't. Can you help me?" Astro smiled and replied, "Of course. Use the map to plot your course and prepare for your journey. Remember, reaching the moon requires careful planning and determination." With the tortoise's guidance, Neil used the map to learn about rockets, spacesuits, and the challenges of space travel. He practiced floating in a zero-gravity chamber and learned how to navigate by the stars. Overjoyed by his discoveries, Neil thanked Astro and continued his journey. As he walked through the magical land, he met many other wise creatures who helped him understand the mysteries of space and how to become a great astronaut. One day, as Neil was resting under a giant oak tree, he heard a gentle voice calling his name. He looked up and saw Professor Luna again. "Neil," hooted Professor Luna, "you have learned so much on your journey. It is time to return to your town and share your dreams with others." With a nod, Neil followed the owl back to Wapakoneta. He felt a sense of pride and excitement as he prepared to share his dreams with his friends and family. As the years went by, Neil grew up to become a brilliant astronaut, known all over the world as Neil Armstrong. He continued to use his curiosity and determination to explore the wonders of space. Neil's most famous achievement was becoming the first person to walk on the Moon. On July 20, 1969, he stepped onto the lunar surface and said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." His journey inspired generations of dreamers and explorers to reach for the stars.